Yo, what is up, people? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. And for today's video, we're going to be talking about stock WKHS. WKHS is Workhorse Group Incorporation, and this stock is insane. Guys, we are looking at the 30-minute 10 days. In the past 10 days, it had lows of $4.14 and highs of $22.90. Now, this is just insane to look at, but let's break it down to see whether or not right now it is a buy or a sell, long-term, short-term. What do you want to do with this stock? We are going to break that down and figure it out right here, right now. Let's zoom in a little bit, though, and see the 5-day, 5-minute, because if we look at it, you can see that we're having an overall upward trend. That it's just obvious. We had lows of $7.52 last Friday, and now we are at $20.07. But if we keep on zooming in, we look at, wrong one. We keep on zooming in, we see the 1-day, 1-minute. Just looking at the 1-day, 1-minute, you can see how much volatility is in this stock. We had overall lifetime highs of $22.90 here this morning around 10 o'clock, and then it drops all the way down to $19.81. So that's a good $3 that it hit between. Like, it's got some volume to it, and it's a very popular and hyped up stock. Now, if we go back to the 5 days here, let's just check it out what we're doing here. 5 days, let's do 5-day, 5-minute. Okay, and 5-day, 15 minutes. Sorry, I'm all over the place here. So let's just check this out. So let's check over here. We got WKHS. We have the news that was happening here. And if we scroll down, we'll see that $70 million right here. $70 million financing keeps this Workhorse share surge humming. And this is completely true, and it is 100% the reason why that I am so interested in this stock. Because this was alerted Tuesday morning, right? It was alerted Tuesday morning that they're getting this $70 million financing, and this is huge for the company in general. Now, because of this, like everything else in the stock market, that as soon as, we got a little message here. As soon as everything happens, there's always an overreaction. So when we got this news, it went from $16 up to new highs of basically $20, okay? And once it hit that $20 mark, it dropped down because it was an overreaction. Here we are now this morning, or Wednesday morning, we got up $14.20, okay? This overreaction, this would have been a perfect time to buy. I didn't think that the overreaction would correct itself this quickly, but I should have known with a stock of this much volatility and with how much hype is behind this stock. So let's look back here. We hit highs back here at $20. It dropped down to $14. Now we hit new highs today of $22 because of how big the overreaction was here from this So everything's an overreaction. Overreaction from the $70 million, boom, we hit highs. Then that was an overreaction because of how high and fast we hit it, it dropped down. Now, obviously, with how many people are into this stock right now and how much hype is behind it, it had to react, and it bounced back up. Now, it bounced up a lot more than I thought, because even overnight, wow, my phone is getting blown up. Even overnight hours, we were getting numbers from, $18 to opening at $20. So it's a $2 gain on a stock. Look at how much volatility is in it. Anyway, so we opened up the day today. Today was a little shaky with the stock, though, and we ended up kind of low. So that's why I'm kind of even more interested, because it seems like every day that it hit highs and then it comes back down and makes new lows for the day, that the next day it brings that volatility back and makes newer highs. So let's zoom back out here, and if we look at the stock, it's in an upward trend here. It's just insane not to believe that. But what I really want to show you guys is, actually, we can stay on this chart, and we can just zoom in a little bit. Let's just take a look at it. When market opens, it's usually within the first 30 minutes that I've noticed that this stock just completely blows up, okay? Monday morning, boom, stock market opens, $11 up to $15. Yes, it gets a little shaky throughout the day, but you see the point. Now, boom, Tuesday, market opens. It goes from about $16 all the way up to $19, $20. Boom, that closes. Market opens on Wednesday, goes from $14 all the way up. You see this trend here? Every time that within the first 30 minutes and the beginning of the day, the market opens, the stock just surges and keeps going up throughout the day. Now, today was a little bit different. It started to pull back down, and that's why I'm very curious to see what it does tomorrow, because we're going to be having some huge buyers looking to close off the week, and a lot of sellers too, so it's going to be interesting to see what the stock actually does. Right now, I'm going to call this stock a buy. As of this point, in July 2nd, 2020, I'm going to call this stock a buy, okay? We've hit new highs of 22.9. We know where we're going to be going from here. The only worrisome that I have with this stock is if we check its 180 days, it's a little too much. Let's just check its 20 days, okay? Let's just check that. Look at how much downward potential there is for this stock. It's a little, we're actually right here. Look at how much downward potential. It's a little scary how much wow, that is not a straight line. how much downward potential there is. But, there's always that upside that could happen. So this is why I'm going to consider it. I mean, it's not considered, it is a pump and dump, basically. We're just waiting for that huge dump point. But as of right now, it has enough hype behind it. It has enough catalyst. It has enough news. It has enough information. It has enough people. It has everything that it needs to keep on going. And that's why I believe that it's a buy right now. Buy, I'm going to say no more than a swing trade. Swing trade, 3 days max, okay? Don't hold on to this thing for a lot longer. Yes, I guess if you held it from literally, I don't know, last month or even last week and held on to it, yeah, you'd probably be better off than most people. I mean, check the 5 day, even if you held it for 5 days, $7 to $22, that's not a bad return. I mean, that's amazing. I mean, what am I saying to myself? But the chances of it doing that are becoming slimmer as it keeps going up, so make sure you take that into consideration. So it's a buy right now. I would use it as a day trade, take some profit out on the table, but if you would like to be a little bit riskier and hold it overnight, which again can cause some scary issues, you can do that as well, and maybe even make some more profits on top of more profits, and higher risk, high reward. You know how it goes. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something today. Leave a like if you did enjoy, and leave a like and subscribe if you want to keep on seeing these types of videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.